your Instagram stories. So simply tap on this plus button. Here you have to tap on stories, then tap on the media that you want to select, or if you want to write something, then tap on create like this. Write something, tap on this. If you want to add some images or something like that, add all the stuff that you want. So we are just adding image right now, which is for example this. Now here we want to add music, so there is a logo of music on the top right hand side. As you can see, this music icon, tap on this, or either you can get into this section and search for music in the stickers option. So here is the music, tap on this. Both are the same thing, there is no as such difference, but if you want to show a small tag of music, then this is very helpful. So tap on this, and here you have to find and select any music that you want. So this is what we are selecting, and after doing this, you would find if you want to add something like this or this, you can do this, but we are not adding this now. As you can see, we have successfully added the sound. Tap on your story and you would upload a new story with music on Instagram.